मुझे बहुत पढ़ने की इच्छा है, लेकिन घर वाले बोलते हैं उतना तो तुम कॉलेज कैसे जाओगी।
पानी का, शौचालय का, रोड का, सब चीज का सुविधा होना चाहिए। मैं चाहती हूँ मेरे घर में।
गांव को साथ देना चाहिए किशोरियों का, गांव का सहारा हो ना, किशोर किशोरी अपनी लाइफ बिता पाए। मैं बड़ा होकर साइंटिस्ट बनना चाहती हूँ। हम बड़े होकर वेटनरी डॉक्टर बनना चाहते हैं। मैं बड़े होकर अपने पैरों पर खड़ा होना चाहती हूँ।
India's 253 million adolescents have many aspirations. To fulfill these aspirations, the 10 to 19 Dasra Adolescents Collaborative has united funders, non-profits, a community of practice and the government to work towards the same outcomes of adolescent empowerment, completing secondary education, delaying age of marriage, delaying age of pregnancy and increasing agency. We have started our work in Jharkhand and will scale learnings across the rest of India.
If we look at this huge group of young people in our country who are going to bring about this phenomenal change, we all need to sit on the table, government, researchers, non-profits, funders, having the adolescents on the table for their perspective and together problem solve for this complex issue.
In this new approach, collaborative action is key to amplify social impact. 10 to 19 has pooled funds from multiple funders and channeled these to a collaborative of non-profits in health, education, safety and agency. Together, we are reaching 500,000 adolescents in Jharkhand directly.
Collaboratives is definitely the way to really fund together, because the impact can be much larger, it can be scalable and it can be joint. It's not only pooling of funds, it's pooling of the NGOs so that we can really use the pooled money to all the impacts that we intend to create.
The different partners who come at the issue of adolescence from different perspectives, whether that's education, health, engaging with parents, getting a space to play or express herself. One thing that has changed is that we have, from looking at a joyful learning environment piece, we have really started looking at all the different dimensions that are important in a girl's life. So it's become a lot more comprehensive.
But working with a few non-profits is not enough. To further collaborative action, 10 to 19 has created a community of practice made up of civil society organizations to learn from one another, advocate together with the government and change social norms.
4 or 5 or 7 organizations cannot, solve the problem. We really have to be a group of many, many more hundreds of organizations who need to come together and have the same vision.
Earlier we were all alone working for this adolescent cause. We thought we were alone and we thought that we are the only people facing a certain kind of problems which we are unable to resolve. But once we come and share our learnings, the level of confidence also increases, and also we get to learn from each other and know how these things are getting resolved at different levels.
Whatever you are doing in the field or whatever you have learned through your experiences can be shared in a larger group, and we all can go together as a community of practice group to the policy makers and present this. I think it will create a very sustainable and solid, effective impact.
Government is running many programs. How we can do some value addition to the program delivery, how we can do some supplement the programs. So Dasra and all its associated partners, they need to really join hands and work with the government as well as try to ensure that there is a community participation.
और आज आप लोग के सामने अपना बात रख रहे हैं, ये मेरे लिए बहुत गर्व की बात है.
The community of practice has driven the Ab Meri Bari initiative, in which adolescent girl champions have conducted social audits on government services in their village and presented these to their government representatives. This has given adolescents a platform to engage in collective advocacy with the government and change social norms in the process.
तो अब मेरी बारी स्ट्रेटेजिकली, साइंटिफिकली एक अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है. समाज में जो एडोलेसेंट एज के बच्चे हैं उसको एक कॉन्फिडेंस मिल रहा है, हम अपने समस्या को से लड़ सकते हैं और ये हम अकेले नहीं हैं।
अब मेरी बारी campaign has actually tried to create a platform which can actually lead to certain changes in attitudes and social norms in the days to come.
I think participating in that event of Ab Meri Bari, which was organized in one of the big halls, was a real eye-opener for us, as we could see the girls who are normally expected to be shy and not opening up, and they were so confident to speak about their issues, to raise their concerns. One major input we got about the adolescent clinics. Counselors who are sitting there, they are not able to address the concerns or issues as per to the satisfaction of the beneficiaries. So we have taken a note of it, and we have already initiated a training program for all our counselors. So that was a big takeaway from that program.
With 10 to 19, we can achieve our dream of a generation of adolescents who can change the lives of their parents, children, workforce and communities for a transformed India.